do, the things that you do. You're wasting my time, the time I give you, the heartaches and pain that you put me through. Guess after all, I can't trust you. You're a liar and that is the truth. I have my eyes open, I seen the clues. It was written in black, but it came out blue. Don't even talk, I'm not in the mood. You say you're in love and talk to that dude. Yeah, you and him, I meant to be rude. I'm walking away.
Alright. Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my real first moto vlog. And I'm just gonna try it out. If the audio's bad or if there's too much wind noise, I'm gonna go ahead and do a voiceover of actual audio, but I guess I'm gonna do like I'm gonna do a review over my bike that I've been riding for about 6 months, so it's a pretty, honest review of like how it's been riding and everything. So my bike is a Venom x22 125cc. It's from Venom Motorsports, and it's of course a 125. And if you don't know what a 125 is, it's like, those little pit bikes like Groms. They're small bikes, and this is basically a full-size bike. Like, the frame and everything. As you can see in the shadow, it's like a real sport bike. So, but it's a 125, so of course it's not going to be as much power as like an actual sport bike. Go ahead and turn right here. So this is basically full throttle right here, and I'm in third. It's a 4-speed, so fourth is basically the most that it'll get up to. And of course, for a good starter bike, I'm a big fan of it. Look at the cows chilling. But I've rode it in the city, like Oklahoma City, for a little while. But then I mostly have ridden it out here in the country where there's a lot of, things crossing and a bunch of potholes. The streets are not good out here, as you'll see up there. But this bike, I'm gonna be honest, it's a fun little starter bike. If you've been riding for years and like you started off on a 250, there's no reason to go back down to 125. Because see, I'm full throttle right now in fourth at 51 miles per hour. Now downhill, of course, like it'll go faster. That's the fun part, going downhill to gain some speed. You gotta plan out your routes accordingly. But this bike, it's a nice little bike. It's a 2019 also, I'm pretty sure. So always watch out for this curve, because out in the country people don't know how to drive. Oh, I can't even see the line. And then there's that pothole. Out here the police, they don't really mess with me. That's what I love about living out in the country. Now in the city, they gotta meet their quota, and they're gonna try to get you for every little thing that you have. But I think that's my hoodie thing. It's like a clicking noise. I don't know what that is. But see all these potholes, and like those were light, like you could ride over those, but I've really got to figure out what that noise is. I'm sure no one's behind me, because up here you kind of have to slow down. It's like a one-way bridge where it's all messed up. One-way road. I remember one time I was driving over here, I hit that pothole. No, it was up here. Oh, I guess it was the one back there, but I hit one of those, and oh man, when I tell you I thought I blew a tire, I really thought I blew a tire. So it's a nice little bike. Make sure no one's behind me, just show y'all later. Went back. Alright, so it has a fuel gauge. It has, make sure no dogs run up on me. It has a fuel gauge, has RPM gauge. Tells you the speed. I've ridden it for about 813 miles, so it's a pretty honest review. And then it has a battery gauge thing. mean, I like it. It's pretty fun. I could do a 0 to 60 for y'all since like the speed limit's 55 up here. And it's downhill, so it'll be better. You know, better time. But I've had a couple of problems with this bike. I've launched hard before, and it ended up breaking, I believe, the chain adjuster or something. Okay, see, I'm going back hill, but that was like 0 to 50. So, once again, it's not really like a highway type of thing, but you know, oh, there's that one house that's in the ground. Cause like I'm going 46 or 50, and I'm going full throttle. Okay, it's 60. There we go, 0 to 60 in like a minute, so that's pretty decent. I don't remember if there's stop signs over here. It's been a while since I've been this way. See, I love this curve, but I'm always afraid of the drivers. Oh, this is some Final Destination stuff right here. Let's go back. Jesus Christ, this is... That would literally be my biggest fear. What up, Mr. Raccoon? That would literally be my biggest fear. The hay bales on a truck just falling off when you're riding by. Now this is sketchy because they can't really see me coming, and it's a popular road to turn right on, but I guess I'm good. Right here is, I forgot what it's called, yeah, North Canadian River. You want to go down and get a closer look for y'all if y'all want it. Right here is the Venom x22 125cc. It's 2019. So as you can see, I already broke this off. I didn't break it off. The things came loose, so I just untightened it. But it originally had Venom stickers on it, but we took those off. Just better, you know, looking like that. It used to be green, like this one right here, but took them off. I kind of like the matte black look. Red brake calipers, or front brake caliper, I don't know what's on the rear. Yeah, red also. Now, as you can tell, it's not an off-road bike, per se, but you could take it off-road. You know, it got a little muddy. You know, got a little muddy. This is how it looks from the front. I like that profile. It looks pretty nice. Turn signals, everything comes like 100% street legal and ready to go. As you can see, there's with the lights. Let me turn up the highs. It's pretty good difference, I guess. One thing, I don't know if like mine just came messed up or not. I know the brake taillights doesn't work. Shh, don't tell no one. But I don't have any flashers. I probably need to fix something, or hazard lights. My bad. I probably need to fix something, but as you can see, whenever I turn it in the middle, it comes on, and then there's another switch. Nothing different. I'm going through two switches. Nothing different. But if I go to the third one, it turns off. But I'll just keep those on. I like the red stitching on the seat. It's pretty nice. And then this seat comes off, so you can see how it looks. No, it is a 125, and I don't know if if mine was just messed up, but I did have to replace the fuel filter. But I just got a nice one from like Walmart for like pretty cheap. It's a 125, so I'm liking it. Alright, let's see. Sure it's in neutral. Uh-oh. I guess I didn't just start it good enough. Turn off my brights. Oh, I need to lose some weight, man. I'm out of breath from that. What was that? Oh.
I gave you my heart, yeah, that was my choice. You play with my heart like it was a toy. I gave you my all, you still wanted more. That was the pain when you walked through the door. You're watching the tears as they hit the floor. You walked in the left like it was a store. That was in love, it felt like a chore. That was my choice, I'm letting you go. I can't stand the pain, you play my emotions, yeah. You say you're in love, you don't feel the same. Fact of the nature is I'm to blame. Why did it come to all of this change? And this is for you, I don't want the fame. Would you have waited for me in the rain?